Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of iPhone 13 accessories with a review of the Diverbox case. If you want to keep your shiny new iPhone 13 safe and sound, this is the case for you. The Diverbox case is built for heavy-duty protection with a multi-layer defense system that absorbs and deflects impacts. Its soft inner and hard outer layers provide military-grade heavy armor while still allowing open access to ports and speakers. Plus, the raised lip ensures extra protection for the screen and camera, so you can set your phone face down without worry. But that's not all. This case also comes with a high-quality tempered glass screen protector and camera lens protector. The screen protector is ultra-thin, comfortable, and sensitive to the touch, while the camera lens protector ensures that your photos stay clear and crisp. And the best part? Diverbox offers a lifetime replacement guarantee for your iPhone heavy-duty protection case. So if anything happens to your case, you're always covered. So why wait? Protect your iPhone 13 with the Diverbox case and enjoy peace of mind knowing that your phone is safe and secure. Check out the link in the description to get your hands on this must-have accessory. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and product recommendations. Thanks for watching.